So if we're making an arcade and we have a game, what's something important about games? Oh yeah, you can play it with your friends. What about if the game looks cool? Yeah, what if the game, it just like looks really bright and colorful and makes you want to play
it? These pieces of wood, and we're gonna stick them together and then stick them to your board. We need the driver bit, we need the drill bit, and of course, we need to use the drill. So take a look at the board. You know what? We can draw some stuff to add to our board. We can also make a high score sign.
Look up.
Mine's ball.
Yeah.
How do you Pokémon? So if this stops, like right now it landed on sing for 10 seconds. It's worth 1 NORY block.
So our campers had a blast this week. Some of them did woodworking for the first time where they got to use the drills, even the 3s and 4s. They got to use our awesome NORY technology for the first time, and they got to share their creativity with each other. So we hope to see all of our campers back next week to do our next awesome project.